Hey there, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to change your Wealthsimple email. This is a pretty common question, and I'm happy to help you out. Before we get started, I want to take a moment to talk about the importance of keeping your personal information secure. Your email address is a valuable piece of information, and you should take steps to protect it from unauthorized access. Now that we've covered that, let's get started. Step 1. Log into your Wealthsimple account. You can do this by going to the Wealthsimple website and clicking on the Login button. Step 2. Click on your profile icon. This is located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 4. Click on the Personal Information tab. Step 5. Enter your new email address in the email field. Step 6. Click on the Save Changes button. That's it. Your new email address has been successfully updated. Make sure that your new email address is valid and that you have access to it. You may need to log into your new email address to confirm your account. If you are having trouble changing your email address, you can contact Wealthsimple customer support. Changing your Wealthsimple email is a simple process that can be completed in just a few minutes. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.